How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today we have a live trading video, and this was a trade that we took live. Obviously I've got the live trading footage of it that I will play in a second for you. So if you guys do enjoy this video, hopefully you like the live trading ones, and if you do, just comment or like, let me know that you want to see more of them, and I will continue to film my trades live. But what we're going to do now is I'm going to play the footage from the live trade, and then we're going to jump over onto the charts, and I'm going to show you how I took this trade. It was quite a simple one, and we made just under 4%, so it was a good trade on today. So yeah, going to show you the live footage now, and then we're going to jump over onto the charts. So I'll play that now. All right, so we've just entered this GU buy here. We're going for a 1 to 3. I'm hoping it will get to TP today, but there isn't much volume this week before NFP. But hopefully sat in this house, it will produce some magic. Who knows? If I show you the entries, you see here, we've entered twice, one on a little bit of drawdown, and the original entry is there. Currently down about $100, but hopefully this will fly towards take profit. So as you can see, the trade is pushing up nicely. Screen's a bit messy, but that's all right. So we're pushing up nicely now, which is very, very good. I'll show you the profit. You see we're up $700 on this FTMO on this account. And yeah, we're just going to keep going, pushing for that high, and hopefully it comes in today. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, as you can see, we are slowly getting towards TP now. Just to show you that we have taken this trade, obviously. You see we're up 1.1k now, which is just over 2% on the account. And yeah, it's looking good. We're on our way to TP. And yeah, it's been a good trade today. All right, so as you can see, we are just about to come and hit TP now. We're up to 1.6 area, okay. These are the trades, as you can see. And yeah, it's looking very, very nice. Very, very nice. This will bring the account up quite nicely. There we go. TP hit. Lovely times. And that is just over 3% on the account. So there we go. All live traded. Yeah. Very happy with that trade. Let's go. All right, so hopefully you found those clips good to watch and you enjoyed them. Now we're going to go on to the charts, and I'm going to show you exactly how I took this trade. If you guys do want to learn a bit more about this setup, I do have a video breakdown in my Telegram, so feel free to check that out if you want. But we're going to go on to the charts now. I'm going to show you how I took this trade, why I took this trade, and how it played out. So as you can see, we've got the GU chart here. Now, when I looked at price this morning, as a lot of you know, I like to trade London session. When I looked at price this morning, there wasn't really anything I liked. As you can kind of see, we had this messy PA in Asia, and then as London came in, we had pushed up and we'd broken out of this high here. Now this is a good high because obviously this was the high that broke this low to the downside, and then we pushed up and broke above. Because we were already in an uptrend, certain way of entering that I like to use wasn't valid, and the second way also didn't play out in this area, so I didn't do anything there. However, later on in London session, as you can see, we had this big push to the upside like this that broke out of this area here. You could say that people were selling here. You could say that there's resistance, whatever it is you want to use, it's all the same sort of thing. But we pushed out and broke out of it, and all I did was I simply entered off the retest of the area that broke out of these highs. So as you can see, we pushed up, came in, I entered, we had a little bit of drawdown, and then as you can see, we started pushing away from our entry point. Now, as you would have seen in the live trading part of the video, I wanted this high to break here, and we pushed up and we broke above nicely. Now we got to about 115, and there was some red folder news event coming out. Now I don't like to hold through red news, especially the big ones. So for example, if it was NFP, CPI, FOMC, anything like that, I will just close out of the position. But this one wasn't one of those. It was just a red folder news event. I put my SL to break even, and we just let the news play out, and it didn't really, you know, do anything to the downside. As you can see, it just pushed directly up, and then we just left it for a bit longer before it smashed through and hit our TP for a 1 to 3. But I did re-enter a second time here, so as I said, it ended up being just under 4% on the trade, which was very, very nice. Now GU's kind of pushed up a long way, and we're still bullish at the moment, but we'll have to see what price gives towards the end of the week before NFP, but I don't know just yet. So I hope you guys did enjoy this live trading video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more live trading. But I appreciate everyone watching, and I will see you in the next one.